Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker JBL Charge 6 with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that we need to turn on the speaker, so at the top of the speaker we have a controls and you need to press at the middle button, is a power button. You press one time and we turn on it. After that we need to enter prank mode and you need to press a Bluetooth button to enter prank mode actually. Here we go, now we should see it at the device list. Tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!